Today the weather was kind to plants. That's why I will tell you a poem, a raindrop. A drop of rain is like a sudden knock at the door, unexpected yet often welcomed with a smile. It can brighten your day or ruin your plans. It can make you laugh or make you sad. Whether the raindrop is moving fast or slow, or is big or small, it always gets everyone's attention. A raindrop contains many secrets. It is a bubble of anticipation and surprise. It cleanses the earth, it feeds the flower and fills the holes. The raindrop is never silent. It bangs on the roof, splatters on the window, or splashes in the puddle.